jump, draw, sing, hear, see, fly, read, dance, run, cook.
Look, Wendy, I can jump.
Oh, Tom, stop. I can't do my homework. Can you see Miss Sid?
Little lamb going along the street.
No, I can't, but I can hear him. He's under the bed.
Miss Sid, come here, please. Help me.
Hi, Wendy. Let's go to Burger World.
I'm sorry, Oscar. I can't. Miss Sid, can you draw the Eiffel Tower?
I can't draw, but I can fly.
Wow! I can see the Eiffel Tower. Miss Sid, stop!
I can't stop. Help!
Tom can jump. Now you say. Lynn can dance. Cindy can run. Maseed can cook. Tom can read. Can she hear?
No, she can't.
Can it jump?
No, it can't.
Can he run?
No, he can't.
Can he cook?
No, he can't.
Can she see?
No, she can't.
Drive a car. Ride a bike. Play soccer. Play tennis. Play the piano. Play the drum. Swim. Fish. Carpet. Park. Zoo. Beach. Cinema.
Look, we're on the Eiffel Tower. I can see a park. Let's go to the park. Look, he can play the guitar and he can play the drum too. Wow, look, she can ride that bike. It's funny. Hey, Wendy, look, she can draw. She can draw the Eiffel Tower.
Great! Masid, can we go now?
Oh. Can you see my carpet?
Can you play soccer in the park?
Yes, we can.
Can you swim in the park?
No, we can't.
Can you play the piano in the park?
No, we can't.
Can you run in the park?
Yes, we can.
Can you ride a bike in the park?
Yes, we can.
Can you drive a car in the park?
No, we can't.
Hello, I'm Tom and I'm 5 years old. I can write, but I can't draw. I can jump, but I can't swim. I can play soccer, but I can't play the piano. I can sing and I can dance too. What can you do?
Is Tom 7 years old?
No, he isn't. He's 5.
Can Tom write?
Yes, he can.
Can Tom draw?
No, he can't.
Can Tom jump?
Yes, he can.
Can Tom swim?
No, he can't.
Can Tom play the piano?
No, he can't.
Can Tom sing?
Yes, he can.
Can Tom dance?
Yes, he can.